Hello, my friends. I have officially lost my voice, so I'm not even going to attempt to do a driving narration for this video, given the fact that this one's bikini top only and I can barely talk. So this is a 1969 year model, and it is Icon BR number 64. I'm just really excited about this new package. It's super creative for me because we get to try all these different colors and textiles and stuff. So first and foremost, you'll notice that I've left the original side marker lights as well as the original 302 front badges. Those badges are optional. It's up to the client whether they want them or not, as is the Ranger trim, which I left in the original factory style finish, factory rear view mirrors, and exterior door handles as well. We're running, of course, the only option for the old school Icon Bronco, the old school wheel. Other details on the outside, you'll notice that we are not doing the modern style laser cut insert for the tailgate. We left the tailgate kind of sort of stock, except now you'll notice you can see the FORD Ford letters on the tailgate because we've redesigned the spare tire carrier assembly. Now this truck was requested to be built by the client with a bikini top as well as the full Wimbledon white hard top. However, they asked for us to deliver it to them with the bikini, so unfortunately I'm not going to have any footage to show off the hard top. In this case, we did my full-length bikini top design, so that's 3-layer Hart's German canvas, then an 1/8" jute insulatory barrier, and then another black layer of 3-ply canvas on the inside. That has CNC clamps that attach to the roll bar structure, and then mandrel bent tubular structures that then come forward, which in turn ties into the windshield frame. We did the last of the restored vintage style Ford hubcaps, which you'll notice on future old schools we've changed. We did the amp research lit power steps. We're not offering the worn wench option on old school, because I've not seen a Bronco with a wench that didn't look goofy in the front. Roll bar can be finished in the signature old school, which is kind of like a grayish tan, but we did the retro white on this one. That tan color though is featured throughout the interior. So in this case, it actually is almost monochromatic with the Douglas aircraft vinyl that we used on the seating. And then we did these really cool textile inserts on the front and rear seats, door panels, and cargo panels that kind of have that 60s vibe to them, but they're really soft and they feel really good. Also running the 3-stage carbon fiber heat blankets within the seats, and it breathes super quick through that. We did the highest end Icon audio system, so the 8200 NEX with wireless CarPlay, navigation, Bluetooth, reverse camera, focal K2 speakers with separates, JL audio for the subwoofer with the new vented enclosure that sounds a lot better than the previous one. Again, more design changes with old school versus new school. Same column, same gauge manufacturer, same gauge circuit boards, same switches and everything. However, the knobs, the indicator bezels for the knobs, the general dash layout, the column clamshell cover, the steering wheel, and the gauges, I redesigned more of the 60s kind of vibe. For carpet on this one, I did my beloved Hargarten square weave, which is Dyna matte insulated and then rubber back. They're fully removable. And then that cool bright work that we do on the chrome spears that we CNC for the cargo and continues through the door panels. You'll notice super subtle on the bottom of it, we route out a channel and there's a diffused LED light strip in there, so you get like a nice interior ambient glow. We also did power door locks. We did power windows. This has my nifty thingamajigger where you double tap down, double tap up to control all windows at once. The body now, we are powder coating these vintage bodies, then priming, then sealing, then painting, then polyurea coating on the underside of the body and on the interior floors prior to final assembly. Obviously, you know, AC, power steering. This one's running the Coyote 5-liter, 412 horsepower, 390 torque Mustang aluminum GT motor. We're running the Ford AOD automatic to the Atlas 2 twin stick shift on the fly part-time 4-wheel drive transfer case. We're running the new Curry axles, powder coated assemblies based on a Dana 44 architecture in the front, all fine spline, all new down to the casting. with Dana's 60-based architecture in the rear. We're running the Icon Sport Brakes, Hydro Boosted by Brembo, 6-piston front, 4-piston in the rear, ARB locking differentials, and the tunable sports suspension. So there you go. Hopefully the B-roll was more informative than my narration and my raspy voice. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to get to know my brand and watch my videos. Myself and the entire team at Icon are proud to have the opportunity to create these functional sculptures. Reach out anytime with any questions or comments via the YouTube comment section or telephone 818-280-3333. The website, of course, is Icon4x4, and Instagram super fun, and that is Icon4x4 as well. Thanks again. See you next time.